So Garvee recently just sent me out this chest press machine, and today I'm gonna show you guys exactly what came in the box, and then I'm also gonna show you guys a really quick assembly of this product. So with that being said, let's go ahead and cut back to the past whenever we received the actual package. So this is the size of box that you guys are gonna get for this machine. You guys could see the actual bench right there, then all the other metal pieces and accessories on the inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take everything inside of this box and just set it out here to give you guys a quicker unboxing experience, just to save you guys a little bit of time, and then we'll get into that assembly. So here's everything that you guys are gonna get inside of that box for the chest press machine. So far, everything seems super solid. The cushion seems to be pretty sturdy as well. All of the bolts and screws are laid out very nicely, but most importantly, let's take a look at these instructions. So here's step one, and it does seem to be a lot just for one step, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. At the very least, they do make it very clear on where everything goes, and they tell you exactly what you're gonna need for that step. So when it came to the assembly, I was actually pretty impressed with how easy it got put together. When I initially saw it, I was a little worried because I saw so many different pieces, but it came together in about 35 to 45 minutes. I did have to get my own tools, and with these installs, you do have to have two of the same size socket because you'll have to hold one end of that bolt while you're tightening the other end. But other than that, it was very simple to put together. All right, guys, so we just got it all assembled. I just want to show you guys a quick close-up angles, and then I'll show you guys a couple workouts that you guys could do with this machine. So obviously this machine is capable of using full-size plates, but if you guys take off this piece, you guys should be able to use the smaller plate size as well. You guys can also stack your plates right there for storage. Where this bar rests, we have this really nice pad here to protect the metal, so you guys shouldn't have to be worried. These arms are also adjustable, so you guys could get it up higher to do different presses. We have foam pads right down there, and this whole bench actually folds up. Let me go ahead and show you guys because that's really important for storage. So we're gonna start by taking this pin out, and then we're gonna be able to fold it right up. Then we could take this pin out and just fold it just like so. Something else that you guys could do with this is actually put it all the way down to the ground to have an incline bench press. But for now, I'm just gonna put it back to its normal flat mode. So you guys will need to get your own weights with this machine, but the actual motion is really smooth, and these bars are independent, so you could do one side at a time if you want, or both at the exact same time. So if you guys want to adjust this up higher, just move the weight right down there. We're gonna take this pin out right here, and it goes that low, or we could go up all the way to here. So just for example, I'll show you guys real quick. So from here, you could do overhead presses as well, which is exactly why I love this machine. There's a bunch of different workouts that you guys could use this for. And if you guys are getting a large setup like this, it's really important that it's actually versatile and that you guys could use this for multiple different muscle groups. Overall, if you guys are looking for a chest press machine, this is a really nice one. It's all super sturdy, and it only took me about 45 minutes to put together. And honestly, I probably could have put it together faster if I wasn't distracted watching a TV show. So anyways, that's it for my really quick review and test of this Garvee chest press machine.